Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. In this video, we are talking on Python error called Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. We showing solution how to fix this error. First step, open Python ideally file location. Second, copy the location address means path. Third, open Windows icon, search for environment variables. Fourth, open user variables and click on new. Fifth, add variables name path. Add variable value path of your Python location file. Add and OK and go back to command line.